Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, power off the device or unplug the keyboard, then ground your hands and remove jewelry to prevent tearing. With a firm but gentle grip, hook a corner of the silicone cover and lift just enough to clear the key tops. Once you have a corner free, slide your fingers along the top row and lift progressively. This reduces stress on edges and prevents sudden rips. Make sure to keep the cover angled slightly up so it clears keycaps as you move. Once the first row is clear, maintain even tension and peel across the keyboard in short, controlled motions rather than one big yank. You should fold the release section over itself and hold it off the keys to prevent it from snapping back. As you progress, pause and use compressed air or a soft brush to dislodge debris trapped under keycaps. This prevents crumbs from catching the cover and tearing it. If resistance increases, stop and inspect rather than forcing the cover free. To finish, peel the remaining portion toward the center and remove the cover completely, laying it flat to inspect for damage and trapped debris. Clean the keyboard cover with mild soap and warm water, rinse well, and let it air dry completely before reinstalling. Moisture damages electronics. If a corner is stuck, thread dental floss under the edge or gently work in a small amount of 70% isopropyl to loosen adhesive. Use sparingly and avoid pooling. Then test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.